Super Resolution Part 1 CAT Scan. The goals and objectives of this case study are to pinpoint the precise locations of sound sources by using CAT scan and to examine spatial resolution in source localization inside non-ideal test environment. Shown here is a typical earphone that produces a faint sound inside non-ideal test environment. We want to determine the precise location of this earphone by using CAT scan through Sound Viewer. Results show that Sound Viewer can instantly locate a sound source inside non-ideal test environment. However, the spatial resolution may not be very high. By using CAT scan, we can significantly enhance the spatial resolution of source localization. As the scanning surface approaches the earphone, the image of sound source becomes more and more focused. Conversely, as the scanning surface moves away from the earphone, the image becomes less and less focused. In this case, we can pinpoint the precise location of the earphone at 327 mm away from the Sound Viewer. Next, we use one earphone and one cell phone. In particular, we put the earphone in front of the cell phone with a small depth offset. Once again, Sound Viewer can instantly locate these two sound sources simultaneously, even though spatial resolution may not be very high. By using CAT scan, we can pinpoint exactly the location of earphone, and the location of cell phone individually. In this case, the earphone is found to be located at 365 mm and a cell phone at 425 mm with an offset in depth by 60 mm in front of the Sound Viewer system. Thank you very much for your attention. For more information, please contact Dr. Sean F. Wu at seanwu@signal-wise.com.